Good morning. Okay, so today's plumbing day. We've been inside with the plumbers. I've done a little bit of video footage, but it's really difficult to hear because there's so much noise going on in there. I will post it in the comments below this video. But what we've done is we've gone in with the plumbers this morning and we have done the complete set out, which shows where the taps have to go, where the shower rose goes, where the bath goes, exactly as the client would want. So at the end of the day, it's really important to get this part right, because if the taps are not on the wall exactly where you want them, or if it's not centered to certain items, it just looks dreadful. And particularly if you're doing something like a tap from a wall to meet a basin, you have to get that tap in exactly the right position, because if it's not centered, it not only looks awful, but it's not functional. So this process is extremely important, and we spend at least a good 30 minutes with the plumbers prior to them starting work, and we go over absolutely everything. We talk about the size of the vanity, the size of the shower, where the door on the shower is, where the bath is being situated, where we want the spout, where we want the tap, where everything goes, how the drainage is, make sure it's all exactly as it ought to be. In this case, it's all where it should be. Basically, well, the pipe work is all where it should be. We just need to now upgrade those pipes from being two tap sets to being flick mixers, and that's fairly straightforward, but you know, it has to be precise. So as I say, 30 minutes with the plumbers this morning, getting through with that, and now they're on site working, and that little video of them on site working is posted in the comments. It's very noisy again because they're using jackhammers. Blockwork construction is always very noisy, and it is a little bit more difficult, but that's what's happening today. So there you go. Enjoy your day, folks.